Hello everyone, I hope you are good. Now, today we will discuss about joints. So, what is a joint? A joint is a place where two or more bones fit together. Bones are held together by strong bands of fibers like a structure called ligaments. So, what is ligament? Ligament is ligaments are strong band of fibers which join two bones or which held two bones together. They control the movement of bones. At the joint where the bone rub against each other, they are supported by a stiff but flexible substance called cartilage. Actually, cartilage is a soft bone. The cartilages protect the joints and facilitate movement. There are many different types of joints. Some are movable and some are immovable. So, first we will discuss about immovable joint. Immovable joint is present in cranium, in the skull, ribs in the breastbone and bones of girdle. These are the places where immovable joints are present. Now movable joints. The movable joints contain a lubricating liquid to reduce the friction between the bones. The muscles are attached to the joint, contract and relax simultaneously to allow movement. So there are two types of joints, movable joint and immovable joint. Only movable joints allow our body parts to move and immovable joint remain fixed at one place. Again, movable joints are of different types. First, we will discuss about pivot joint. This pivot joint is present in our neck and it allows movement in upward, downward, sideways direction. Due to this joint only, we are able to move our head in up, down and sideways direction. So pivot joint is present in our neck. Second one is sliding joint, or it is also called as gliding joint. So this gliding joint allow back to bend, twist and turn. This type of movement is allowed by gliding joint, and this joint is present in wrist, ankle and between the vertebra of the backbone. Due to this joint only, we are able to bend our body. Next one is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint allow a circular movement. It is present in our hips and shoulder. Due to this only, we are able to move our arm in all direction, or 360-degree movement is there in ball and socket joint. So ball and socket joint is just like a cup, and in that cup a ball is kept properly, and in this way the ball round in all directions or perform a movement in 60 degree. Next one is hinge joint. Hinge joint work like a door and allow movement of bone only in one direction. That is called as back and forth movement. Like you can bend your arm and stretch your arm only. So in one direction movement is done in hinge joint. You know, students, a gliding joint is also called as a plane joint or planar joint. Now we will discuss about muscles and movement. So bones are covered with tissues called muscles. And you know, more than 600 muscles are present in our body. Muscles are attached to the bone with the help of tendons. The muscles contract and relaxes and thus produce movement in the body. So whatever movement we performed, that is with the help of muscles and joints. Mainly there are two types of muscles in our body, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are also called as striated or stripped muscles, and these muscles are under our control, means we can control the movement of these muscles. Examples are skeletal muscles present in our arm, hands, legs, and feet. Next one is involuntary muscles. It is also called as non-striated or unstripped muscles. These muscles are not under our control, means we can't control the movement of these muscles. These muscles work on their own. There are two types of involuntary muscles. Number one, it is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are muscles which are present in our heart. So, where the cardiac muscles are present? In our heart, and it allow movement of or flow of blood in our body. These muscles work all the time whether we are sleeping or we are doing any other work. These muscles do not get tired. They pump the blood to different parts of the body. Second types of involuntary muscles are called as smooth muscles. During digestion, muscles contract and relax for the movement of food in the body. This in this type of work, smooth muscles help our body. Smooth muscles are found in the stomach, intestine, etc. So, at the end, we can tell only what we have discussed in this chapter about skeletal system and muscular system, about the joints, parts of skeletal system, and what type of muscles work in which kind of movement. So that's all. In next video we will discuss about the question answers or assignment part is that of chapter 3. Okay, enjoy your day. Thank you all.